I want to encourage you during this winter solstice season to receive first. How they say on the airplane, put on your mask before you try to help someone else with their mask. I think it's really important when we have these super high expectations time of year where there's a lot of travel, family care, family drama, last quarter of business, we can really get drained and not show up in the way we want to show up. So in order to do that, we need to receive first. And you, as a sovereign, gorgeous, grown-ass woman or other person, can receive. You are in charge of receiving. How do you do that? It can be very simple. It can be as simple as just taking a moment to let yourself feel the sun on your cheeks or to look up at the night sky. Take yourself on a walk. Look up at the stars outside and say thank you. It could be investing in a retreat. I would love for you to join us on our Winter Solstice Soul Journey, where you spend an hour and a half each day over a long weekend giving to yourself, receiving from the universe, from your ancestors, from nature, so that you can emerge from the winter solstice, which is on December 21st this year, so you can emerge more grounded, more whole, more ready to take on the challenges of 2025. And we all know there are going to be challenges in 2025. My main message to you for this winter solstice season is to receive first.